makes London Building Contractors unique is our belief in not being restrained by boundaries and constantly encouraging a creative culture. By allowing our employees to explore their creative sides by giving them the authority to make bold, dynamic choices. First stage of any project is building analysis to understand whether it would work for your business and your budget. At London Building Contractors, we design and develop all commercial areas of your business, including construction, refurbishment, interior and exterior environment, space planning, furniture design and developments, and many more. Every day we create ideas from concept to perfection, and we're proud to say we are only 5 years old with over 38 years of experience combined. We have lots of design to create for your commercial businesses. After all, it's what we do. For your free consultation, contact us today on 020893555159 or visit www.londonbuildingcontractors.co.uk.